Welcome to Smart India Robotics.
In this video tutorial we can learn push button and connection to normal LED and RGB LED. First we can connect push button to the breadboard. Now connect one LED to the breadboard. Place the positive terminal of the LED to one terminal of the push button. Connect one male-to-male jumper wire to the positive of the battery terminal, and other side to the push button diagonal to the LED positive terminal. The push button get connection directly if connected to the opposite terminal. Connect one more male-to-male pin to the battery negative, and the other side to the LED negative. The LED will glow when button is pressed and get off when released. The push button internal connection is diagonal and opposite. If we provide voltage to this pin, diagonally we get voltage, while button is pressed. Now we can check what happens when LED positive is connected opposite to the battery positive in push button. See, the LED will be glowing without pressing the switch. Now we can use 3 push button to the RGB LED to glow different colors. RGB LED has 4 pin. The long terminal is negative and others are positive. Connect the push buttons to the breadboard. Make sure to connect in E and F points in breadboard. The gap should be in between the push button each terminal. Leave some gap between each button. Connect the RGB LED to the breadboard. One terminal is connected to one switch terminal. The first positive pin is connected directly without jumper wire. Connect one male-to-male pin to the next positive terminal of the LED, and other side to the next push button. Take one more male-to-male pin and connect it to last positive terminal of the RGB LED, and other side to the push button. Connect male-to-male jumper wires to each push button diagonally to the LED positive terminals. See the connections carefully. Now take the 3-volt battery. Connect the negative terminal of the battery to the negative of RGB LED. Connect positive terminal of the battery to any one push button. Make sure the positive should be connected diagonally to positive of the LED. Now press each push button and absorb different colors. First push button from right is red, then green, and next blue. The combination of red, blue, and green is known as RGB LED. If blue and green pressed at same time, you can see the mixed color. Red color LED will absorb more current, so with red no other color will glow. If we reduce the current flow to red color, we can mix red also.
Feel free to contact us for courses and DIY kits.